welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to do a deep clean and bathroom organization, and I'm telling you this bathroom needs both. Like, we have so many things that are unorganized under the sink, and then it's time to do a really good deep clean. I do try and clean the bathroom at least once a week, but a deeper clean, where I like really scrub like the garden tub and the shower, it doesn't happen quite as often as it should. But you can see under the sink how bad everything has gotten. So I'm so excited to get started on this video, and I also am super excited because it is a collaboration. Laura is from the channel Mighty Mama, and I have connected with her here on YouTube and, of course, over on Instagram. She is one really, really sweet lady. She's a stay-at-home mama of 3 beautiful children. She's married to her high school sweetheart. I can totally relate to that. Her main purpose with her YouTube channel is just to motivate other moms who may struggle with like anxiety and depression, and I've spoken a lot about this on my channel, so I can totally relate to her, and I know that other mamas can relate to her as well. She loves to do motivational videos that include cleaning and organizing one mess at a time, so make sure to check out her channel as soon as you finish watching this video, because she is going to be putting up a bathroom deep clean and organization as well. So let's go ahead and get started in this video. So I just removed everything that was on the counter and on top of the toilet just to have like a clean surface to just start working. Not necessarily clean, but you know what I'm saying. But I like to work top to bottom, so I'm just going to start with the mirrors, and then I'm going to move on to the countertops and the sinks, and let's get into it.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you.
So once I'm finished with the mirror, I'm going to take my nifty cleaner that I like to make. It's really just Blue Dawn dish detergent and some white vinegar and some warm water. And I just shake that up, and I love to use that like in the bathroom and even in the kitchen. I like to use it, but I just wanted to go ahead and spray the tub down so it can be soaking while I go ahead and give the sink and counter a good scrub.
Deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there.
Now it's time to move on over to the tub, and I will just let you guys know there's nothing graceful about cleaning a tub, especially one of this size. Like, it's super hard to get good angles, and honestly, I just didn't even get a lot of clips for this because yeah, it just wasn't pretty, to be honest. But I did get in there and I got it scrubbed really well, and I feel like I've done my job of cleaning this tub for a little while because it just it wasn't fun to clean, let's be honest. Now we're going to move into part of the organization in this video. So I wanted to start with our drawers, and you will see that everything has just been kind of thrown in here. Like, I never can find my bobby pins. I never can find my like plastic elastic hair bands, and that's because they were just laying in here under it all. So I'm just so excited to go ahead and get all of this organized so I can find my stuff, and it was seriously like Christmas finding everything. I also want to take this contact paper out. This was actually in the drawers, and it was under the sink too, like when we first moved in, and it was just really dingy. I did like try and like disinfect the drawers before I put all my stuff in there, but it was just time to go ahead and change that stuff out. So I just went ahead and removed it, and I'm going to go ahead and move on over to my husband's drawer too, because his was a mess as well, and I'm going to happily show you how I put the contact paper in the drawers. So the best way I have found to do this is to, once you've removed the contact paper, take the drawer completely out of the cabinet. That way you just have a little more room to work. You want to just lay it out in there so you can kind of like, I guess, measure with the contact paper, and then just take some scissors and just cut it while it's in the drawer. Please know that I did not already remove the plastic. I mean, not the plastic, but the sticky part that's on the back. So it's not already stuck in there. I'm just gonna kind of like peel up one of the corners, and then as I like peel it, I'm gonna stick it at the same time. So as you can see, I've just kind of like stuck the front, and then I'll pull up the back so I can just kind of pull it, and it just lays it flat as I pull it towards the back of the drawer. And guys, this is the easiest way I know how to do this. I don't really know an easier way. And this is not my favorite thing to do, but I'll do it because it does last for a while and it keeps your stuff nice and clean and off of the wood part of your drawers. All right, so now it's time to just move on underneath the sink and just look at my face. Like, it was a disaster under there. I had so many like partial bottles of dry shampoo, and I'm a stickler about just throwing stuff away. I will throw stuff away, but when it comes to something I tend to spend a lot of money on, such as like dry shampoo or hairspray or even foundation, I use that stuff until it is all gone. I may buy more whenever the can is like half empty. So I just, I end up with a whole bunch of half empty cans. That's what happens. But I'm just going to go ahead and get everything under here pretty much just taken out. And I'm going to try and organize and throw away as I take the stuff out. So when I put it in containers, it's going to be a little bit easier for me to put underneath the cabinet.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me.
I do want to mention this container I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I like it because it has these different compartments in it, and it was perfect to put my hair straightener, my hair dryer, and then in the smaller section I was able to put like my teaspoon brush and my other brushes, and it just was absolutely perfect to get all of those cords organized.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting.
Now that everything is out from under the sink, it's time to remove the old dingy contact paper. And I'm going to put new contact paper in here pretty much the same way I put it in the drawer. So I'm just going to start on one side and work my way to the other side.
Around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering.
It honestly felt so good to finally get all this stuff organized under there. And I am so happy to say that thankfully it is still like that. Like, I've been really trying my hardest for about a week now to keep everything nice and organized because it's nice to be able to find your stuff. So now I'm just going to move on over to the shower, get it nice and scrubbed down, and then we're going to get everything back in the bathroom.
We run away to get us up when we're low. Just chase the waves.
Before I get everything back in the bathroom, I did forget that I had a good bit of trash from the contact paper and then just other items that I ended up throwing away that I needed to get out of the bathroom before I could vacuum in there. I like to use my vacuum. I do sweep it sometimes, but there's just something about like using the vacuum and it just is like one thing. I don't have to sweep everything to a pile and then sweep it up and I don't know. I just like something that's like one step. So I like to use my vacuum in the bathroom.
We'll make it up as we go. If you're heavy, I'll show you where to go. Won't you set free? Behind the town for low, we run away to get us up when we're low. Oh, even if I lose my ground, I won't let it hold me down.
Alright, so now that the bathroom is nicely organized and clean, I'm going to go ahead and start putting everything back in there. And you guys get a little bonus here because I'm going to be showing you my Christmas items that I picked out for our master bathroom.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me.
Thank you guys so much again for watching my channel and this video. Don't forget to head on over to Mighty Mama's channel and check out her video that she also posted on her bathroom. Also, along with cleaning, she does have home decor, home renovating, DIYs, and all things motherhood on her channel. So don't forget to check her out. We would love also for you to follow us both on Instagram, and I will have all of our links in the description bar down below. So I'd love to talk to you in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I hope that you guys will have a great rest of December, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this.